ClickUp provides a powerful way to visualize project timelines with its built-in Gantt chart feature. This allows you to manage and track tasks visually, making it easier to manage complex projects. Here's how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Access ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Visit clickup.com and log into your workspace. Navigate to Gantt chart view. Open a workspace or project. Navigate to the workspace or project where you want to create a Gantt chart. Switch to Gantt view. In the main navigation, click on the View drop-down and select Gantt from the available views. Customize Gantt chart. Add tasks. Tasks will be automatically displayed on the Gantt chart based on their start and end dates. Adjust dates. Drag and drop tasks to change their start and end dates directly on the chart. This helps in visualizing dependencies and project timelines. Add dependencies. Link tasks by adding dependencies. Dependencies are shown as lines between tasks in the Gantt chart. View milestones. Add milestones by creating a task with a due date and marking it as a milestone. These appear as milestones on the Gantt chart. Filter and group. Filter tasks by assignee, status or labels, and group tasks by these parameters for easier tracking. Collaborate and monitor progress. Collaborate in real time. Team members can view and update tasks in the Gantt chart, ensuring everyone is aligned. Track progress. Use the progress bar to monitor the completion status of tasks and projects.